confused when to use C and when to use K? Let me give you the simplest rule ever. Look in the word cat and kit. Both C and K make the same k sound. So, when do we use C and when do we use K? In English, we use C before A, O, U, like in cat, cup, cot, camera, coconut, and we use K before the letter E, I, and Y, like in key, kit, cat, kite. So, that's the simple C and K rule. C comes before A, O, U, and K comes before E, I, and Y. Coming the next English rule you want me to explain, and yes, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.